Hey everybody, I'm doing another 5-minute marketing tips, and I already did one this week, but I'm doing a second one this week. The first one, the audio didn't come out, and I had an experience today that I really felt like I wanted to talk about. And we already talked about this in this series. It has to do with how we're attending to incoming leads. So I need a window replacement on my house. I need to replace 2 windows. So my wife got online, she was doing research. She supposedly found a company on Facebook Marketplace, and I probably should have done this myself, but my wife did it. And she gave me the phone number. So I called the phone number. The lady answers the phone and she sounded like she was dead and hated her life. She immediately asked for my information. Me excited to be calling this company, thinking it was going to be a good company, and to be able to, call someone out for an estimate. And she talked to me like a zombie. And then after that, after taking my information, she said, okay, someone will reach out to you now from our company and call you. Well, it turns out that this was a lead aggregator. This was not an actual company. And so like 10 companies call me. So the first one that comes in, I answer the first phone call that comes in, right? And the lady, she's got a foreign accent, which is fine. And she asked me the exact same information, and we had the same exact conversation. So the lady was not even either from the actual company. So she takes the exact same information. So this is my experience. This is just to teach you guys about the way that a lot of companies are doing this. I get answered by a person who's non-enthusiastic and who sound like they hated me when I called. Then I get a second phone call in the process, and this person takes the exact same information and also tries to sell me solar panels. I called to fix my window, and then she ends the conversation. And she says, okay, now I'm going to have someone else call you. So now I've talked to 2 people. I haven't talked to anyone about window replacement. I got sold solar panels, and no one talked to me about my windows that I needed replaced. So finally, I get a third phone call from these people, and they call me, and I answer. Okay, I'm talking to the company, and the lady that talks to me asks for my information again. She asked for my name, phone number, email, etc. At that point, I am so annoyed. All I want is to find someone to come out and give me a quote to replace my window. So that's happened to me this morning. This is the way that many of you are doing your business. It's just simple. Do things in a simple way. Have a process in place that is simple and easy to do. When a phone call comes in your business, answer the phone and get someone to go out and give a quote, or have an initial discovery call. This is the kind, and some of you are saying, well, like this is just common sense. These are the kinds of things that I encounter with businesses I work with constantly. These kinds of problems. I know because I've listened in on thousands of phone calls. Fix your processes. And another thing, if I'm calling for window replacement, come out, give me a reasonable estimate that doesn't cost triple what it should, and have someone ready to come out right away and close on that first phone call. These are the typical processes that you guys as business owners, the problems that you have. Guess what? That's probably one of the 10 people that they get sold a lead to. And that's another thing. I'm just getting in a phone call, probably from people that are trying to sell me window replacement or whatever it is they're trying to sell. Do things in a simple way. Do some Google ads or some YouTube ads. Get in phone calls from your target market and then attend to them in a proper way. These are the mistakes that the businesses are making. Today was out and out proof of they're trying to do things in a lazy way. And so if I'm doing marketing, if I'm trying to get you traffic to your site and I'm getting you phone calls, and this is the way you're doing business, it doesn't matter what I do. You've got to get this issue fixed. Fix your processes for attending to your incoming clients. It's not hard. And almost about half the companies are really not that good at that. And that's something that a lot of you guys, you need to fix. Let me encourage you to fix it if you haven't already. Once again, this is kind of a rant / the mistakes people make, but I just had to bring it up. And also, don't use a lead aggregator. A lead aggregator you can try it, but this is a company like Angie's List or Home Advisor that's gonna get an incoming lead from someone that needs work done, or their local business that needs work done, and they're gonna be reached out to by 10 businesses. And there are ways that you can sometimes get results from this, but it's tough. Do the things that we talk about in our playbook. And I've greatly exceeded the 5-minute mark. This is my rant. This is what I want to talk about today. I want to encourage you guys, fix your processes. Put good processes in place. If you need help with that, we can help you with that. We can help you with your process. We've got CRMs. We have things that'll help you to close on your incoming leads. But you guys, overall, most businesses, they stink at this because I just went through this. So, if you're in here and you are listening to this and you change out windows, if you talk to me, I'll be very willing to listen to you today, because I'm very annoyed. All I need is a window replacement. It shouldn't be that simple. I should just be able to call somebody up and then they say, okay, you need your window replaced. Let's go to your house and give you an estimate. It shouldn't be that hard, y'all. Okay. Rant over. 5-minute marketing tips. Subscribe on YouTube. Catch us in our Facebook group, DFW Business Mastermind. And you can also catch, if you are my friend on Facebook, I usually post it. And I post it also on our actual business page. Hive Lead is the name of our business. We do marketing. Check us out. We'll soon probably have another webinar. Thank you guys for watching.